He rides on the flood. There's no power from hell that's gonna stop God's wings of love. I feel the winds of mercy and the rain from above. God rides on wings of love. Oh, when your back's against the wall, you try to stand tall in faith. Oh, when you can't go under, you can't go around, so you wait. Even when you don't understand, you're still in the palm of His hand. So just wait, He's never late, He's just working His plan. God rides on the water, He rides on the flood. There's no power from hell that's gonna stop God's wings of love. I feel the winds of mercy and the rain from above. God rides on wings of love. Oh, my Lord, He rides on the water, He rides on the flood. There's no power from hell that's gonna stop God's wings of love. I feel the winds of mercy, mercy, and the rain from above. God rides on wings of love. Yes, He does. Our God rides on wings of love. Oh, God rides on wings of
I go to the storehouse of mercy and grace, kept by the Master on high. And each time I visit this glorious place, I'm blessed with abundant supply. God keeps blessing me over and over. God keeps blessing me again and again. Over and over, over and over, over and over, amen. Still there are trials I'm facing today. Still there are troubles to bear. But I'm still looking up, I still kneel down to pray. My burdens are still lifted there. How can I shout in the valley of life? How can I sing in the night? How do I smile through the sorrow and strife? Stay happy when nothing seems right.